Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So in this video we will be seeing about some of the additional formulas in Excel. Like we will see about pivot table, then Vlookup, then we will see how to use the count formula like CountIF, CountIFS, then counting the blank cells or counting the cells that contains numbers. So count has a few formulas, so we will see them, and we will see one more new formula called x match. So this x match is like one of the newly used, so only found in the latest versions of Excel. So I'll just show you how to use that and where the x match can be used. So here now we will see how to use the count. Okay, so the first formula count. So this one will count you the number of the cells that contain only numbers. So we can just make this as an example here. Okay, so for example I add number here 12, 13, 14. So here you see it adds on the numbers over here. So the next count will be count A. So this will give you the count for the number of cells that is not empty. So we still will use the same range. So not empty is 25, meaning this is the count it gives us. So including this, yeah. So say example, I'm going to delete few here, 14, 13, 12. I delete the numbers, then it should be 22. So it will give you, so this will be useful when you have a very big range of data. So you need to have a count of number of cells that's not empty, or the cells that's empty. So the next formula will be count blank. So this will count the number of cells in a range that's empty. So still can use the same range. So this will be like till the end of the sheet. So it will give you the number of cells that's empty. So next formula will be count if. So here we are using a if range. So say example, I here, then I want to know how many Navinas here. So it's 6. So here this is the space for the condition, the criteria. So you can give any criteria. It can be a value, or it can be another formula also. So it depends on your necessary. So in general it will be the criteria, the range, comma the criteria. So you will have count ifs criteria range here. So the criteria is novena, comma, so maybe I will add another range. The criteria is user. So I'm adding range here. Say data here. Say user for some of the values, then server for the other rest of values. So I'm giving two conditions. So the two conditions are from the range of D. So from here it should be novena, and it should satisfy the second condition is user. So here is novena, so user is here. So you can just have n number of conditions like this. So this is how we can use the count ifs, so multiple ifs, same like how we were how we'll be using the ifs, building ifs in the previous video. You can refer to that. In my previous video I have showed how to build ifs formula. So here you are combining the ifs with count. So this will be one of the most useful when you're preparing a consolidated data with your big range of raw data you have. You are preparing some consolidated chart or something, then this formula will be very helpful for you. So here we see how we can use our Vlookup function. So here okay, usually Vlookup function is to relate a data to its same data in its row. So now the formula is, say example, I'm okay. Before that we take some examples like serial number. So usually when I want to find its related host name, then I can search if it's a single data. So just I can search, then I will find the 1 to 9 serial numbers related thing. So if I have a list of host serial number that I have to find the host name, then the Vlookup is the simpler way. So the formula is Vlookup value. So lookup value meaning the data which you have. So the data I have is the serial number, so I select that. And now next is table array. So for the array you have to always remember your the data which you have should be the first column data. So here I have the serial number, so the serial number should be in your first column. So the A column here should contain the serial number. So the array I take it from A to C. Then next will be the column index number, meaning which column it has to search. So here I got 3 columns, A, B and C. A is the one which I have the data, the serial number, so I have to search it. I got 2 options, either I can search in B or in search in C. So I have to mention the number. Here I have to search in C, it's 3. Then true and false. False is exact match, true will be the approximate match. I go for false, just enter. Yes, I got my host name. So just drag down, you will get it. So this is very helpful when you have a big list of data and you want to find it out. Like you have 2 comparisons, like I download I'm downloading data from a server, from an application that gives me the host names and applications. Then I have another data from another application or server that has the host name and the user of that. So I can just do a Vlookup to combine the data. Then I can contact the particular user, maybe to come to service desk. I want to install this. We can do all this kind of things.